what I decided to do was, you know, every show has, oh, let's do the latest gifts, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
But we're Home and Family, hosted by Mark and Christina. So we have to up it a little bit and bring the greatest gifts ever. So these are all gifts that are personalized. And I think personalized gifts are really the best ones. So this is called the Cosmo Cube. And this would be, well, why do you think I brought it? This would be for Christina. Now, obviously, you know, Christina works on camera every day. She goes to lots of events. Any glamour woman in your life, Christina, especially if you lived in New York, can you imagine the counter space that this would save for all of your makeup? I mean, look at, you take the top off, okay?
Wow.
You can put in any of your perfumes if you want to leave it down and just have your perfumes on top.
Everything is in one
Christina,
place.
you also can take this out, you guys, and just make it according to, oh, I know in your case, Mark, you're a lipstick guy, so you might like more lipsticks, but then in Christina's case, she's more of a
balm.
Lip balm. Exactly. So you know what, you guys, it's really, it's just counterproductive, and do you get that? It's like counter. It makes room for your counter. If you're in an apartment, if you want to take this around maybe to another room, I'm going to just move around with my. It really is. I use mine every day.
Can I make
Christina,
a suggestion? And in all seriousness, this is such a genius idea,
isn't it?
I immediately went,
You're gonna
you
make
could do tools with it, but that way you
Christina, please come back with
I'm
the. Please.
She thinks everything is hers.
You're going to give it to Dave to put in your car.
My car.
I knew it. I knew it. She was going to it today. You can have that, my love. This is for you.
Little,
yes,
like,
it is.
Organizational things for
I
if
know.
you're a DIYer, you could put stuff in there.
But it really.
That's right. You could too.
You really could.
Again, it's one of those gifts that makes all the difference.